aloe vera, rose flower, glycerin, rice water, lemon. First wash the aloe vera and soak it in water for 5 to 7 minutes. Take fresh rose, separate its leaves and soak in water for 3 to 4 minutes. Cut the aloe vera into small pieces. Cut the lemon into small pieces. Rice water 1 cup. Now put rice water, aloe vera and lemon slices and rose leaves in the spray bottle. Add 3 to 4 drops of glycerin. Now shake it well. Store it in the refrigerator for 6 to 7 days. And keep spraying on the face.